everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. It feels like forever since I've been gone, but I'm finally back. I'm back in Florida, as you can tell by my background. And I will record next Saturday. I'll have a video up with an update and everything that's going on. But right now, as you can tell by the thumbnail, my Beautylish extra large bag came in and I am so excited. I'm probably the last kid on the block to have received it, but you know what? It's finally here. I actually got a really good deal on my bag. I'm doing this as I'm opening. I'm saying as I am opening this because I haven't even broken the seal on this yet. I got such a great deal on my box because if you shop at Beautylish, I think it was like back in November or I think it was early November that they were doing something where they were giving a $20 credit for every $100 spent. So I think it was $60 when I purchased my box. I did get the extra large and I was very fortunate because they ran out. Like I think within minutes they were all gone. But they allowed me to use the $60 credit that I had. So this $150 box, I had $60 off of that, and then I had to pay $15 shipping. I think it totaled like $105. Anyway, for those of you that are not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Bag, even though there's been so many videos on it, I'm sure you've seen it. There are a couple of boxes. There's the $75 box where you get $150 or more. There's the $150 box where you should get $300 or more. And yes, I have watched some spoilers. I watched one that was really good. The lady got probably $480 worth. It was the best one that I found. But you know what? This is the luck of the draw. I'm always happy with whatever I get because if I can't use it, I give it away to one of my girls, I give it away to friends, I give it to my sister, to my mom, whomever. And you know, if I have it, if I don't like it, I have people to give it away to. So I'm always happy. It's a mystery bag and I get, you know, it's the whole thrill of not knowing. Mine was packaged in San Francisco. I've seen some that were packaged in Philadelphia. The Beautylish bag and Beautylish package is beautifully, absolutely beautifully. So let's see what I got. They do such a great job. Geez, I don't even want to look. I just love to be surprised. Alrighty, I don't think I got one of the extra lucky ones, but you know what? Like I said, whatever I get, I'm going to be extremely happy with. Let's see, where are my scissors? Here they are. I know, I'm like a kid in the candy store. This is the third year that I have gotten this, and the previous 2 years, I'll leave them linked down below in case you're interested. I was only able to get 3 years ago, I was only able to get the not the extra large, just a regular bag. Then this last year, I hadn't spent enough at Beautylish, so I was only able to get the regular. Now I don't think they're doing that anymore. I think that what they're actually doing is they're just opening it up, but I cannot believe how fast they just ran out. All right, let's see. I'm just picking the first thing here. First thing is from Hourglass, and I think that this is the lipstick. I'm not sure. Jeez, I'm so excited. I'm not even showing you. I'm just hogging it up myself. Yeah, I know. Things that make me happy. This makes me happy. Yes, it's one of these Hourglass lipsticks. I do not have any of these. I have heard the ladies talking about it. This is a very red shade. I don't know if I will use that red shade, but that's okay because I know that my daughter absolutely loves red. So I can send that to her if I'm sure. I highly doubt that I would use it. Oh, and I got a Sonia G brush. I don't know if I have this one, but I don't have this one. which one is this? I love my Sonia G brushes. No, I don't have my contacts on. This is the Worker 3. Oh, I don't have this one. Oh my gosh, look at that, how pretty. These are amazing, amazing brushes. Love it. So far, so good, ladies. So far, so good. So far, I am happy. Okay, I think I know what this is. I think that this is the set of brushes from Beautylish. I think they're called units or something like that. I don't know. I could always give these to my little granddaughter to play with if that's what it is. No, actually it is the brush roll, the fur brush roll. And I could always use this for traveling. So you have fur, you know, faux fur out here, and you put your brushes in there, and then you just roll it up. And if I decide that I'm not going to use it, I know somebody in my family will enjoy using it. The next thing is the head styling shield from Oribe. I've never used anything from this brand. I've never tried it. I know that they are very pricey. I will certainly leave the prices of everything across the screen. Yep, this is the styling shield, and that's what the bottle looks like. So excited. I haven't tried anything, so you know I'm dying to. And what is this? This is the Good Molecule Silicone priming moisturizer. Beautylish had sent me the Good Molecules, quite a few products, and the moisturizer with no silicone was one of the products that I received. I really like it, so I'm just going to save this as a backup. Yep. That's what it is. And there it is. Very cool, my backup. This, I know, this is the oil. I think this oil is like $90 because I had looked at it. I'm almost certain that's what it is. This is, yes, the Uma Absolute Anti-Aging Body Oil. And I know that I have looked at it. It is about $90. It's a pretty pricey little number for sure. It has all kinds of good oils in it. I will read them to you. Look how pretty that bottle is. Let me see what it has inside. It has pomegranate seed oil, moringa oil, neroli oil, rose flower oil, sandalwood, frankincense. I hear that one's really good. Grapeseed, grapefruit oil, juniper berry, and jojoba seed oil. Well, that should smell very nice with all those oils. Oh yeah, it smells really, really nice. Absolutely. Very exciting. Okay, I could already see in my bag here that this is something that I already have, and I know exactly whom I'm going to give it to. This is the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Sheila, this palette is for you. This is Sheila from Simply Sheila. This is her favorite palette, and I have barely made a dent in mine, so I will send this off to Sheila. And the next product I don't think I'm going to use. Well, maybe I'll be able to use a couple in here. This is the 5th anniversary edition of Jeffree Star. These are, I think these are lipsticks. This set includes Velour Liquid Lipstick, Drug Lord Doll Part, Androgen, I guess, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. Some of these shades I will use. I have never tried any Jeffree Star products, but I have no reason not to try them. I think that I don't watch his videos. My understanding is that his products are really, really nice. I am waiting for the Conspiracy palette to come back in stock. I will swatch a couple of this. This one I will definitely use. If it's comfortable I will definitely use it. Look at that, how pretty. That is a really, really nice shade. It's the mauve, right up my alley. This one I think this one is too pink for me. Let me see. Yeah, this is too pink. So this one will probably go to Christy because she loves those pinks. This one will go to Stephanie because she loves red. Actually, this is a really pretty red, Steph. I don't know if you're going to get this one. This one right here. And then there's a green one, which I'll probably give to my niece because she loves these shades. And this is a white one, which I'm not going to use. So I'm not even going to swatch it. So those are the products that I received in my Beautylish extra large bag. I'm actually excited about a few of the products. And you know what? I'm also excited about being able to give some of these products away. The palette, the lipsticks. I'm happy to give some of these away for sure. I am really excited about the oil. I'm excited about that. The Sonia G and the Hourglass lipstick. I could always get a refill for it. It's some are winners and some are losers. I don't think that mine is necessarily a loser. I would have liked to have received some ladies received the blood sugar palette in their box. Some received the Viseart, the large Viseart Pro 3 palette. What else did I see? I think I saw one on Natasha Denona. I've seen quite a few really nice products, but I cannot complain. This Orbe hair shield, I think that this is a great product. I think overall I had a really, really nice box. Please let me know if you received the Beautylish box. What did you get? I would love to hear from you. Did you get the regular? Did you get the extra large? Did you get the Jeffree Star? That was another option. So I would love to hear from you and hear what you received. Thank you all so much for watching. I will be back on Saturday with my regular schedule. It is freezing here in Florida. Thank you all so much for visiting with me. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time.